Alright guys, on this episode of That's Crazy Garage, we're going over Forrest and Ricky's Go-Karts today. Okay, so what we're doing now is I'm going to beat Ricky in a race for pinks from Go-Kart to Go-Kart. He's going to be riding the one he made, and I'm going to be riding the one that has so much torque it'll twist the chassis, made by my boy Forrest over there. Who will win? And the crowd goes wild if you believe in him. Ah, if you believe in him. Ah, right, AC. What's up? What's people on the racetrack who fix your vehicle for you, or like switch the wheels and are doing everything when you're going through? Pit crew. Got the pit crew over here. One's on the opposite team, so watch what he's doing so he doesn't break anything. Building today.
I'm building a drift go-kart.
And this is a Suron drift cart?
Well, I'm going to use a Suron motor to power it, yes.
Where's the motor? Here's what we got. Oh.
I'm assuming this is the part that welds to the rod.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was going to drill this hole in the center of it. So that
Tell us a little about it.
I don't know anything about this. This is his go-kart.
Tell us. Just go to everyone.
He was literally telling me.
Nice. All gas, no brakes.
yeah, we don't need brakes.
Some shiny wheels. And this should go about 200 miles per hour.
Oh my goodness, no. It'll go
Easily.
like at least 60.
How do you feel about this go-kart?
I have to build another one.
How do you feel about this go-kart? While he's eating.
It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's going out pretty
Tell us
damn
about your go-kart now over here.
I don't want to talk about mine after this one. The original muffler, it was supposed to do like 55. And when me and Forrest went out, what did we go, like 45 or 46? 50? Yeah, something like that. And so I wanted to gear it down for more torque and less top speed. It does not need to go 50. Does not need to go that fast.
And this was a whole custom setup? This was a whole custom setup?
I wouldn't say custom, but it is a frame that I welded a lot on. Yeah, exactly, yeah. Not custom frame like this, but it is custom.
That's some kind of heads. Oh. You guys know in the videos how the microphone's always just hitting people?
Yeah, right, in the old school movie.
What's he doing? Making one?
I think he's drawing up that one.
Oh.
So what's the horsepower difference? That one's a 15, and this one's a 10? 12?
That's a 9, I believe, and this is a 6.6.
6.6 versus a 9?
Yeah.
But the gearing's different, so anyone can go.
12, 16?
Yeah, they're both 212. Oh, well, I guess that's 212, 224.
What do you say weight to weight? That one's a little heavier?
Yeah, I would assume mine's heavier. But I can't.
No, those bars are pretty.
That's what I was gonna say, but I can't guarantee anything.
The add-ons are kind of heavy.
That's not bad.
Both running a CVT.
Kind of good. You changed your front gear on the CVT.
Yeah. Well, mine's more torquey.
The only difference is between these two right now is it's a bigger sprocket. You guys,
Oh, shoot.
not entirely sure.
Why is that in the horsepower the difference?
40? Gear ratio difference. So mine is a 6.6 something,
This is a 4-to-1, I think.
and yours is a 4-to-1.
40,
So 40 and a 12. So
40 and a 10.
that's
Oh yeah, maybe.
that's 40 and a 10. Yeah, so that's 4-0.
The race, guys, I don't know what that means, but it means mine is faster.
One's torquier, one's
Torquier and one's theoretical faster speed.
higher speed.
Why theoretical versus...
Well, because if you got I feel like if you got too much gear, your engine gets lugged down by the CVT.
Oh,
So like he's so low, he might not even be able to get to his top speed because it's so lugged down.
interesting.
Yeah.
That's in the lugging down is from the CVT pulling
The
out
gears,
part of the
yeah,
way.
the gear ratio.
Which
in
is
here.
basically like making additional,
Yes,
like
Like
gears
what-
would go up. And that
we'll get that. Anywhere right here, just enough so you still have that on there.
Okay, where's the
All right, so basically what we're doing now is before we could drive this, it was too loud.
Yeah, Yeah, yep, there we go.
Hey, right now he's doing his application for the haunted houses this year.
Right.
It's a little heavy too. But...
Well, if it doesn't sound bad, you might actually keep it. This is probably just for literally right now.
Well, this kind of thing that helps it restrict.
Yeah. Let's just see what we see. See what we hear and go from there. Wait, what are you doing though for us? You want us send it?
That was
I want to
dirty.
shake it out a little more.
I'm gonna try welding my first actual thing. I've welded 2 pieces of metal together, but never actually welded before. So let's see where it goes. Let's go. Welding.
Good. You said what, AC?
I feel like this would break.
Boom.
Fork snap.
Need help?
Still welding.
Alright, wait. Alright, let's take it off and so you can get that bottom half.
Gotta turn this off.
Oh, I was like, what are you doing? Isaac?
It's hot. Probably learn how or teach how to do it.
I'm no pro. Welding. Alright, that should be done. Now I guess we're only waiting for this, so we can water it out.
What's the point of water in it?
A little quicker. Out. There was only 1 water and 1 soda, so I'm gonna take a drink and then you can have it.
This screw right here.
I was wondering why I didn't feel like it was revving out very far.
You know, it's still fast.
That one and this one right here.
Oh shit!
Go down.
Kind of like this. Oh, I guess it's
This is the idle screw.
okay.
Yeah, that one's idle, yeah.
Should be fine then. Go ahead and push it now. See what it's at.
Doesn't go all the way. Push what, this?
And it won't, yeah.
Oh, actually, not this.
Yeah, it should go full throttle now. Yeah.
Who's gonna win this race between me and Rick?
Honestly, at the end of the day, it all depends on the driver.
Yep.
Yep.
They're both pretty equally matched, but
So that's 1 vote for Zach. Because proof's in the pudding, right? As he said earlier.
But we don't like pudding around here.
No pudding.
It does kind of rip up though.
Dang.
I'll give him, he'll drive it harder than me because I'm scared of mine right now. I'm scared I'll just fucking pull.
Yeah, neither. Yo. Well, that looks sketchy. film.
He's taking video.
He doesn't have his camera. Oh. Cookies.
You ready? Yeah, it's hard, impossible. Be careful on the turns on that one. Never mind, he's gone. Are you guys racing? Are you racing? You ready? 3, 2, 1.